mga Kaps! This is your Auntie 18, Marizara of Daytona Beach. So, kumusta na? Yung gagawin ko ngayon is papanoorin ko yung music video ng song na entitled Umaaligid by Sarah Geronimo and SB19. So, yan. That's really sabihin na natin, Sarah is one of my most favorite artists in the Philippines before SB19 came into the picture. So ayan, kaya I'm so happy na itong collaboration na ito is nangyari na talaga. I know they did collaboration before sa Acer yata yun or something, pero ito talaga I think the biggest collab they have so far. So ayan, happy ako, at the same time excited to see. So disclaimer lang, this will be the first time na mapapanood ko yung music video at mapakinggan ko yung song talaga. So hindi ko alam actually. I have no expectations because for the past week or two talagang I avoided social media para hindi ako makahagilap ng mga snippets ng songs or komentaryo from other 18 on regarding the music video or the song. Kaya, disclaimer ulit, I'm not a music expert. Ano lang po ako, tagapakinig at tagahanga ng SB19. So, let's watch it together kung hindi nyo siya na panoodin. So, ayan, ito lang ha. So, I have, credit ko lang sa YouTube channel mismo ni Miss Sarah Geronimo. Kasi doon ko nakuha ito, okay? Yung video mismo ng song. So, yan. Ano ba to? Okay. May patay. SB19 and Sarah Geronimo parang sa police station. So, I guess this song is about a crime. A crime of what? Party? I did it. Oh, sabi niya I did it daw. Anong I did it? It's me. Oh, 6. Tell. It's me. So ano to? Oh, thanks. It's true. I finished it. Oh, Justin. Getting home. Up. Oh, sister ni. It's my fault. So si Pablo, hindi ko nakita si Pablo. So sister ni Sarah to. Okay. Pablo. Yes, it was me. So silang 5 o 6. They admitted to something. I don't know what it is yet. Let's go. Okay, yung music video is like a story. That's what I expected. It's kind of like story, and I think it starts where it's supposed to end, the storyline. So ayan, ano ba to? Parang mystery or something? Okay, as for the song, as usual, yung sa SB19, ano talaga, mapapasayaw ka talaga. And Sarah is one of the most versatile artists in the Philippines. And the lady can dance. She can dance. I was about to say girl. No, hindi pa na siya girl. Lady na siya ngayon. She can dance. Bro your date. Si Ken Sugarol. So it's like a house. It's really dark. Ano to? Party sa isang mansion na super dark. SB19, you notice SB19 like usually mahilig sila sa mga dark na mga videos. Like Damn. Damn was also dark. Wow, necklace. Rolex ba yan? Wow. Actors na pala yung SB19 ngayon. In fairness marunong silang mag-act. Ooh, yeah. He's taunting Stell. Boom. Oh, nasira ang gitara. Smashed. Wait, ano ba yan? Ad. He's like, I don't know. I actually don't know the name of this actor. Yung hindi is best 19. Something that happens. You better find another friend. Sino yan? Is he an actor? Is that Lily? Can we talk? Sino yung artista, yung babae na sister ni Sarah dito? Party siya. House party. Tapos, yung first scene, may namatay. Ito yung lalaki, namatay siya. So now, is this a case of who done it? Ganon ba yun? Yung mystery? Let's see. Oh, Sarah. Si Sarah yung sister. Oh my God. Ang haba pala nito na song. 10 minutes. Wow, grabe. Two minutes. Ang haba ng instrumental. Haba ng instrumental. Kaya 10 minutes yung music video. Wait, ano yan? Oh. Oh. So, malapit mapagsamantalahan. Ha? Kaya mga kabataan, be careful kung pumupunta kayo yung mga party-party, kahit na yung mga friends ninyo, yung kasama ninyo, still be very cautious kasi like, this music video, 'di ba? Malapit na siyang yung babae malapit mapagsamantahan ng, is it the boyfriend? Ito ba boyfriend ba? But anyway, yun lang. Pa-side note lang. Wow. Boom. Sila lahat. Boom. Kaya silang lima. Okay. So silang lima ang nakapatay sa lalaki. Umaaligid. Yun pala. Okay guys. Mga caps, as usual, hindi ko na-gets yung message ng song. Just usual. I'm not really bad at, interpreting songs. Pero I do like the tune of the song. Kasi nga, di ba? I can't wait to see the dance practice of this song, yung choreography. Maybe, okay, kasi naman, I saw some videos yung sa my Acer na concert. Pero yun nga, same thing, I did not watch it kasi nga ayokong ma-spoil yung reaction ko sa song. So, umaaligid. It's very high-tech. Wala ko better word. Parang siya, super modern yung atake ng song. Very, siya. Yeah. Ano ba tawag doon? Yung kagaya sa mga songs ni Josh. Palang siya ba? You can really tell na yung instrument na ginagamit is yung yung naka-mix na ba? Naka-mix. Hindi talaga yung mismo mga instrument at tao ang tumutugtog. I can tell na parang mix lang siya na pinagsabay-sabay para siyang pinuduce siya. It's a nice song actually. It's very correct ba yung term na danceable? Yun. As for the message, hindi ko na-gets kasi I'm bobo. So yun lang. I'm gonna listen to it again. So I'm gonna add this to my Spotify playlist. Yun kasi ginagawa ko eh. Before I listen to the song, I don't add it in my playlist. And I'm also gonna buy this in iTunes kasi nga I tried to buy, actually not tried, I do buy SB19 songs yung sa iTunes as support for the boys na rin. So ito rin, I'm gonna buy it too. So yun lang po, and bye-bye for now.